Biden warns IS, "We will hunt you down and make you pay for deadly Kabul attacks." President Joe Biden vowed on Thursday to complete the evacuation of American citizens and others from Afghanistan despite the day's deadly suicide bomb attack at Kabul airport. Biden mengatakan komandan militer AS di Afghanistan telah memberitahunya bahwa penting untuk menyelesaikan misi evakuasi, dan kami akan melakukannya, katanya. Kami tidak akan dihalangi oleh teroris. General Frank McKenzie, the U.S. Central Command Chief, said more attempted attacks were expected. He said there were about 5,000 evacuees on the airfield Thursday awaiting flight. A number of U.S. allies said they were ending their evacuation efforts in Kabul. In somber, sometimes halting remarks, Biden praised U.S. forces and asked for a moment of silence. The Marine Corps said 10 Marines were among those killed. The U.S. military said the 18 wounded were being evacuated from Afghanistan aboard Air Force C-17 transport planes equipped with surgical units. The administration has been widely blamed for a chaotic and deadly evacuation that began in earnest only after the collapse of the U.S.-backed Afghan government and the Taliban's takeover of the country. More than 100,000 people have been evacuated so far, Afghans, Americans, and others. Thursday's attack was sure to intensify political pressure from all sides on Biden, who already was under heavy criticism for not beginning the pullout earlier.